Eh? What? Where? Who? How? What? Yeah. Yeah, I know. He didn't even say anything to you, did he? Okay. Do you really want to dwell on it, though, Bella? You do? Alright, so, can we change the subject? To what? My favorite color? That's my favorite color, too. Yeah, I don't have many clothes that are pink, though. Mm, some, yeah. Bella. Huh? Oh.